Good evening. This is another Fit Food review. We have a lot of food, so let's see if we can get it in 15 minutes. The first thing I have, I've never tried this before. This is the coconut cactus water. So this is supposed to, be good. So I just tried it. Got it from, I think, Ross. Here's the nutritionals. So it was pretty good, low in sugar. So it was pretty good. Just something to try. Oh, these are generic Ritz crackers. These were good. Like them with soups and spreads and dips. Typical thing. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Low in the sodium. Okay, now these some oyster crackers. These were good to snack on. This Kroger brand. These are on a good clearance. There you go. So these were good. Kind of plain though. I got tired of them. I gave them to the twins I watch. And there's the information. Not bad at all. Now these were good. I like these. Like similar to the Beneva, they made these kind of breakfast biscuits real popular. So these were good, especially with almond butter. You could put, preserves. So they were good. Here's the nutritionals. There you go. Yeah, so these were delicious and not too sweet. Now this is not a fit food, but it was on marked and I couldn't help it. This spinach artichoke cheese spread, this was delicious. Yum. But I only bought one. It was a treat. It's just a treat. Kind of high in fat. So, and not too bad with sodium though. So, just a little treat. Oh, now this, I put this on Instagram. This was good, and it came with the, I didn't put the card in there, but it's pretty much the same thing. Now these, I added shredded carrots, plus I added this, Food Network Kitchen Inspiration, plus I added celery, and instead of chicken I used boneless pork chop. It was good. Yum. So, mixed several meals, because I added extra vegetables. So it was good, and the instructions are easy. I've tried another one before too, so these are all good. I recommend these, and plus it was on clearance too. So at Kroger. Now this is Sweetener. I'll probably buy this again. This is really potent. This is so potent. I keep putting too much, and it was on a good markdown. This liquid stevia. I like my powder Zing and Truvia. So that was on the markdown. Now this is really good. I like all the Special K snacks. The chewy bites, dark chocolates, pistachios. These were so good. Yum. I'm gonna put these in my vanilla ice cream. But these were $2.30 at Big Lots. Not bad. And then all the Special K are pretty good with the nutritionals. Just don't eat too much. And this isn't a fit food, but it was on markdown. These are so good. This is another treat. No balance. This was so good. Yum. With the cheese, it's so yummy. It's kind of high in calorie, and it's high in sodium too. But that was just a treat. Just once in a while. And then I love using these in soups and stews, so I make sure I get this from Aldi's. Low sodium, low fat, so definitely very good. And this is a treat too. This water enhancers, I only use this once in a while as a treat. These are so good. Oh my gosh, made me drink more water. And that's at $1.49. That was a deal. And I love this tea. Oops. I'm back. This tea comes in these packets. It's good. I have some brewing, steeping now. Yeah, this is good. Banner green tea. I think I got it from Big Lots. Lemon flavored ginseng. I don't think there's any nutritionals on this. Not much to it, but it's a good herbal tea. Oh, now this is good. Has a little bit of juice. Cranberry infused raspberry water. It was Big Lots, 95 cents. Very good. Just for a treat when I want to just change it up from regular water all the time. Regular water gets kind of boring. Oh, now these are good. These gluten-free pretzels. These are on clearance at Kroger. These are so good. Can't see those. Yum. $1.19. And here's the nutritional information, if you can see that. Yeah, these are so good. Yum. Oh, these sweet potatoes, these purple sweet potatoes. Oh, these are so good. And these were these are kind of high, $3.99 for a bag, but I wanted to try them, so I got a few. I splurged. These are good. Oh, these are yummy. These Hostess Petites. Be careful, you can eat the whole bag of these. Yum. These are so good. And they're on marked down at Kroger for $1.39. So here's nutritionals. Get up close for that. So good. Oh, and these were good too. These are another Kroger marked down. And these are delicious. Yum. Yeah, these one of the cleaner nutrition bars. They're delicious. A good treat. Or a snack. Now these were good too. Oh, now this is the soup. It was on markdown for $1.69. And this is the stew. Except I used pork instead. I used pork chop instead. So this was good. I used the chicken broth. The low sodium chicken broth with this. So it was good. And it's very low sodium and everything. I just add a little bit. That was good. Oh, and this was good. These were good. These bites. These breakfast bites. Oh, there you go. Yeah, just mostly oat and chocolate. These were delicious. Here's the nutritionals. These were good. I still have some left. Oh, now these is good. The green tea. I think this is regular. I got this. I get regular once in a while. Excuse me, as a treat. And I got this when I went to the high school production of Mamma Mia at Tab High School. So this was just a treat. They didn't have diet. So, oh, now these are good. All Annie's stuff is good. And now these are the healthier version of Cheez-Its, or the store brand Cheez-Its. You know, all that stuff, organic and stuff. No artificial colors and flavors and all that stuff. And the sodium's not that bad. So, you know. And the Annie's cheddar, the traditional. Now the flavor isn't so robust because remember there's no artificial flavors, and there was some Big Lots for $2. So I like Annie's stuff, and I like the bunny rabbits, which are like the Pepperidge Farm goldfish. So those were good. And the Hippeas. I like the chickpea snacks. These were good. This is fajita flavor. Yum, these are good. I gotta try the other flavors too. So here's the nutritionals. There you go. Those were good. Oh, now this is good. It's California Medley. This is $2.50. This is at Big Lots. Oh, they had a I had a coupon. I think I used it twice, $50. Get $10 off. So, cause I went the second time because I forgot some things. So that was fun the other weekend. Yeah, I like mostly shopping there. when I have my coupon. So, yeah, this is good. It's just some almonds, raisins, pistachios, dried cranberries. That is so good, especially on salads and cereals, oatmeals. Another yummy snack. These are good too. I'll put these on my low carb ice cream. These are delicious. These from Big Lots, $1.30. Nice and crunchy oats and dried cranberries. I love dried cranberries. I got some low sugar ones too. I forgot to put that in this haul. I'll do it next time. Oh, these are good. I like these cheddar cheese veggie chips. These are good. And multi-grain chips. I have some corn, but these are good. I like these. You know, they're good snacks. Soups, dips, just on their own. These are delicious. And then the last thing is, of course, Kashi cereal. I love Kashi cereal. Big Lots for $3.80. This is a big box too. I put this in yogurt. This is also good. And ice cream. I have some low carb ice cream. I didn't bring that out. I'll bring that out next time. So this is really good. Very nutritious. All Kashi stuff is good. I like the crackers. Like the frozen pizza, the cereals, of course, the oatmeal, the bars. I like all the Kashi stuff. Their products are good, nutritious, no artificial, bunch of artificial stuff. So definitely. And they have a story, a narrative. Not all who wander are lost. So, you know, they have a good narrative. All products need that. So there you go, and I think that's it. Yep. So that's it with my Fit Food review. All that stuff is pretty good, except that liquid stevia. I'll stick to my powders. But wow, this shirt is bright. Well, it's not orange, it's really red. But I'm on a webcam. But thank you so much for watching. I haven't been on here for a while. I mostly do Instagram. I get more feedback. But I'll still, you know, hang in there with YouTube. But thank you so much for watching. And it's so exhausting, you know, to say living the fit life. I cook a lot, you know, I post it on Instagram. I'm always cooking and always loading and unloading the dishwasher. And, you know, grocery shopping. And, you know, try to get my workouts in. I only worked out twice last week. Haven't worked out since Tuesday of last week. So, you know, just so busy, you know, doing laundry and cleaning and just cooking. And I baked my own cookies because I wanted something sweet, but I baked it myself. I'm going to bake some, I did chocolate chip cookies before 2 weeks ago, but this time did cranberry chocolate chip, and they come out delicious. I just used Ghirardelli chocolate, and I just used the recipe on the back of the bag. So I have another recipe for sugar cookies. I haven't made drop sugar cookies in a long time, in years, so I want to make some of those. I like making my own treats, and I share them, you know, with the children I watch, so I won't eat them all. And, you know, they're all natural, and it's good for me to bake myself. I enjoy baking. I've been baking since I was a teenager. So, and then I love cooking, and from scratch or semi-scratch. And I made pot pie, and I just made, you know, use that stew, except I use pork instead of chicken. And I just really enjoy cooking, make my own foods, and it keeps me on track. It definitely keeps me on track, and I just go fast food maybe like once a week, maybe or once every 2 weeks. So, you know, I love cooking, stay on track, get good nutrition. So that's very important, get good nutrition, get all my micronutrients. I don't count macros, it's too tedious because I cook. It's have to enter all the individual ingredients, and that's just too much. So, so, you know, just really busy doing that. So I just stayed home all weekend, just cooking, watching YouTube vids, and just doing housework. So, but I want to get this up because I had so many things I want to review and share. Tell you what's really good. There's some good snacks out there, and more than ever, you know, because people, the consumer, are looking for healthier snacks. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching, and you have a good evening.